My mom's going to drive me.
It's a little private.
Guys, it's kind of like cold in here. It is. It really is. And I'm wearing shorts. We're both wearing short sleeves. Who cares if you're wearing freaking shorts? Let me show y'all a car tour.
How am I going to test drive it?
What?
Adjust the.